Hi everyone, thank you for joining us for the 8th of 11 demonstrations for IPPS-A BI. Once again, we will be demonstrating the construction of a report using the Ad Hoc Query Builder and OBIE. Similar to the previous demonstration, we're going to be showing strength metrics broken out by DML and DMSL. It will again be similar to what we did in November, except instead of using the traditional hierarchy of division, brigade, battalion, and company, we'll be using the DML and DMSL organizational hierarchy. Of the different demonstrations you see listed out here on the screen, previously we did looking backwards across snapshots. In this scenario, we'll be doing the first of two demonstrations where we do projected analytics, where we use future dated records and we bucket the strength totals out according to the current month plus 3, 6 plus 6 plus 12, meaning 3 months out, 6 months out, and 12 months out. And specifically, this one will be projected assignment data. So we've got future dated assignment records, we've got future dated authorization records. We're going to do that next. This one is going to be future dated assignment records bucketed out according to the 4 buckets you see here. Here's a sneak preview of how it's going to look when it's all done. We've got the DML and DMSL codes and descriptions there on the left. We marry that up to the department data model, so we've actually got the UICs as well. You can see the one-to-many relationship there between the DMSL and the UIC. And then you've got the 4 columns with your assigned strength totals there on the right. We've got the value for the current month, and then as you go out into the future, you'll have 3 months into the future, 6 months into the future, and 12 months. For the most part, some of the numbers see the same, but you can see a few of them, like that first row goes 81, 81, 80, 52. You can see it rolling off. So with that, this is the end in mind, and I will kick it over to Dinesh, and he's going to build that query for you from scratch.
Thanks, James. So this is the landing page for BI, and I'm going to start to build a new query. So I'm going to click new here and click on analysis. So this brings me the list of subject areas that I have access to based on my roles. And I'm going to pick the current subject area because we are going to start with the assignments and build the future out. So since we are going to slice the assignments by DML, DMSL, let me first pick that. So I'm searching for DML and getting the DML and the DML description. And then I'm going to do the DMSL. So I'm getting these in and just showing a quick preview here. And we could build the query live as well. But in this case, as you see, the DML and DMSL came back. So let me start pulling in the assignment data. So I'm expanding the assignment data. I'm picking in assignment attributes, going back to the criteria because we are going to add a few different fields and basically do the math on the current and future assignments. So I'm going to pick 4 columns and basically going to add the formulas for what is a current assignment and future dated assignments. So you drop down the wheel and you click on the edit formula. And in this case, I'm pasting the formula here so that it's quick. But basically, I'm counting the soldiers and applying the date condition to find the assignment that is a current assignment. So I'm saying assignments current month here. So now this becomes assignments current month metric. So now I'm going to build out the CM plus 3, the CM plus 6, and CM plus 12. So same methodology, drop down the wheel, edit formula, and apply the formula here. And in this case, you can notice that the conditions here, it's using the current date plus 90, which basically gets us the assignments current month plus 3. Assignments CM plus 3. Okay, there you go. I accidentally sorted it. Okay. So now going into the third formula, now we are going to build the assignments current month plus 6. Same formula, but changing the dates here. And then calling it as assignments CM plus 6. And then the last one is assignment CM plus 12. CM plus 12. I'm going to preview the results here just to make sure everything is aligning in order. And then we'll add the UIC and few filter conditions. So let's go ahead and expand this. So we got the data with DML, DMSL, and the assignment data. Now I'm going to add the UIC for the assignments here. So I'm going to drag the UIC column here. Since I'm just adding one column, I did it runtime, but we could do this in the criteria page as well. So now I want to make sure I'm getting only the permanent assignments and the right assignment statuses. So I'm going to add some filters here. Action status. I'm adding the action status as I want to add a filter, and I'm going to choose A and O. Okay, I'm going to delete that. And then I'm going to get in the permanent assignments. Assignment type. We'll get permanent assignments. I'm going to delete that and view the results. There you go. So now we have the assignments, future dated projected assignments by DML, DMSL, and UIC. And you see that there are some assignments that are changing as you go into the future. There are actually several assignments by UIC where you see a change as you go out into the future here. So that's all I had for this demonstration. Thank you, folks.